Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kajabi Payments easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Kajabi account. Navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Commerce tab in the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Settings option under the Commerce tab. Once you're in the settings, select Payments from the options available. You will see a prompt to connect your payment processor. Choose Kajabi Payments as your preferred option. If this is your first connection, click on the Get Started button. Fill in the required details, including your business information. Provide your personal information like your name and address. Ensure that you enter accurate banking details for deposits. Complete any additional information Kajabi requests. Review the terms and conditions for using Kajabi Payments. Agree to the terms by checking the necessary box. Click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. Once submitted, wait for a confirmation message from Kajabi. You will receive an email notification once your account is approved. After approval, return to the Payments settings to configure further options. Now you're ready to start processing payments through Kajabi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.